This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 270BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features a River Rock interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, TV antenna, oven, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, external shower, microwave, smoke detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 270BN is 8,054 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.